Welcome dear students. This is lecture 7 on sampling techniques and design of experiments. Concept 2 in unit 2. In this lecture we are going to discuss, these are also basic terminology: mean square of population, mean square of sample, population variance, and this is a small theorem to show that sample mean is an unbiased estimate of population mean. That is, expectation of small y bar is equal to capital Y bar. These are the four concepts we are going to cover now. Here, mean square of population or population mean square is given by s square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 into summation I is equal to 1 to n yi minus y bar n whole square. This is similar to variance, but here n minus 1 is the only difference. For variance, it is 1 by capital N. Let us expand this y minus y bar n whole square. 1 by n, I is equal to 1 to n, a square, this is plus b square minus 2a and b. This is simply a plus b whole square expansion of y minus y bar n whole square. The summation is here. This is equal to, we are taking summation inside the bracket. We are applying summation to all the three items. Next, here, this is, you are all know, the mean is constant always. So, look here, summation over a constant is equal to I is equal to 1 to n. This is, we are summing the constant n times. So, summation I is equal to 1 to n is equal to n here. Look here, I write I is equal to 1 to n yi as n into y bar n. Why? Look here, you all know that population mean y bar n is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n yi by n. We need this term only, that is summation I is equal to 1 to n yi. This n multiplies this y bar n. So we can write this summation I is equal to 1 to n yi as n into y bar. N into y bar. Here, these are 2 into n into y bar square. Here, 2 n into y bars. Here, 1 n into y bar square. 2 minus 1. This is 1 n into y bar n. The higher term is having negative signature, so negative sign. So we write this like this. So finally, this is the population mean square. S square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 into summation I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus n into y bar square. And sample mean square, similarly we can write the sample mean by putting capital N, by putting small n in place of capital N. These are the sample mean square. You can write this as this. Next, population variance. You all know that summation sigma square is equal to 1 by n, I is equal to 1 to n yi minus y bar square is the population variance. This is similar to our variance. There we use x, here we are using y. Next, this is the proof of simple theorem expectation of y bar n is equal to capital Y bar n, or sample mean is unbiased estimate of population mean. Okay, by definition of y bar n, this y bar n in lecture, in the previous lecture, you all know y bar n can be written as 1 by n into I is equal to 1 to n ai into yi, where ai is the random variable, takes 1 and 0. If it is 1, the unit is included in the sample. If ai is equal to 0, unit is not included in the sample. Okay, this 1 by n comes out and expectation goes in. By applying expectation on the random variable ai, expectation of ai, this is not variable, so we simply keep yi same. First we have to calculate expectation of ai. By definition of expectation of x, this is summation over the range x, summation x into probability of x. Here a is the random variable, summation a into probability of a. Since this a takes only two values, 1 and 0, we have to sum the variable range 1 into, this is x, probability of x, plus x into probability of x. Here the x takes only two values. Here, look here, ai is equal to 1 means probability of ith unit included in the sample. ai is equal to 0 means probability of ith unit is not included in the sample. Look here carefully. What is the probability of ith unit included in the sample? There are capital N possibilities. Our sample is small n out of total events. The sample size is the favorable events. Our sample size is n. So this favorable cases by total cases. Probability of ith unit included in the sample means, for this probability is small n by capital N. Similarly, total probability is equal to 1, not including is 1 by n. So including is 1 by n, not including is 1 minus small n by capital N. This is simply, this vanishes, small n by capital N remains. This is our equation 2. By substituting equation 2 in equation 1, that is 1 by n into I is equal to 1 to n, this is expectation of ai is the first equation. We are substituting expectation of ai here, that is small n by capital N into yi. This n and n gets cancelled. Simply this n get outside, 1 by capital N, summation I is equal to 1 to n yi remains. Okay, this is nothing but our population mean. So we proved expectation of small y bar is equal to capital Y bar. Sample mean is an unbiased estimate of population mean. Thank you.